Drumroll, please. Hello, and welcome to the Amazing Learning Club. This is Poppy, live on location in Estepona, and I want to read you a little nursery rhyme called Humpty Dumpty. I'm sure you're all familiar with it. In Spanish, it's called Jumpity Dumpity, and it goes something like this. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. And that was a terrible thing. But if you go to Steve's food and cooking page on Facebook, I'll show you a couple ways to use scrambled eggs and make a nice, delicious meal. So this is Poppy, live from Spain, saying thank you for stopping by. Adios.